Feeling like you've lost a step? Like the energy and vitality you once took for granted are slowly slipping away? You're not alone. For millions of men over 60, this is a daily reality. You chalk it up to getting older. It's just part of the game, right? But what if I told you it's not that simple? What if the very healthy foods you're eating to stay in shape are secretly working against you? Welcome. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a crucial aspect of men's health that is often ignored: the profound impact of specific foods on your master male hormone, testosterone. My goal for the next 25 minutes is to give you a clear, actionable plan. We're going to expose 3 so-called healthy vegetables that can disrupt your hormones and drain your energy, especially after 60. We'll dive deep into why they're problematic, looking at things like phytoestrogens, chronic inflammation, and mineral absorption blockers. This isn't just about what to avoid, it's about understanding the mechanism behind the problem. But we won't leave you there. The second half of this video is all about the solution. I'll introduce you to 3 powerhouse vegetables that can help your body protect, restore, and effectively use its testosterone. And we'll reveal the most important secret of all, the one thing that separates positive results from wasted effort: preparation. How you cook or don't cook these foods is the key that unlocks their true potential. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. So, let's get started. First up, the 3 healthy vegetables you need to be cautious about.
Our first vegetable to watch out for is one that wears a major health halo: soy. This includes tofu, soy milk, soy protein isolates, and even edamame. The primary issue with soy for men, especially as we age, is its high concentration of compounds called phytoestrogens. As the name suggests, phyto means plant, and these are plant-based compounds that mimic the function of the primary female hormone, estrogen, in your body. Your body is a finely tuned hormonal machine. A man's health thrives when testosterone is dominant and estrogen is kept low and in check. Phytoestrogens can bind to the estrogen receptors in your body, disrupting this delicate balance and creating a state of relative estrogen dominance. What does this feel like? It's not just a number on a lab test. It's that persistent fatigue, brain fog, a lower libido than you'd like, difficulty building or maintaining muscle, and even an increase in stubborn belly fat. Sound familiar? And so is sneaky. It's not just in tofu. It's used as a filler and emulsifier in thousands of processed foods. Check the labels on your protein bars, your sauces, your baked goods. You might be eating far more soy than you realize. The second on our list isn't a vegetable you'd eat whole, but rather its highly processed derivatives: processed corn. I'm talking about high fructose corn syrup, corn oil, and corn starch. Now, it's important to distinguish this from eating a fresh corn on the cob. The problem with these processed forms is their incredibly high concentration of omega-6 fatty acids. While we need some omega-6, our modern diet has thrown the ratio with anti-inflammatory omega-3s completely out of whack. The ideal ratio is close to 1:1. The standard American diet is closer to 20:1. This imbalance creates a state of chronic, low-grade inflammation throughout your body. Think of it as a constant smoldering fire. This inflammation is a root cause of many age-related diseases. It hardens your arteries, a condition called atherosclerosis. Why does this matter for testosterone and vitality? Because hardened, inflamed arteries mean reduced blood flow. Poor circulation affects everything. It strains your heart, starves your brain of oxygen, causes joint pain, and is a primary driver of erectile dysfunction. Your body can't function optimally, let alone produce hormones, when it's on fire. And finally, number 1 on our list to be cautious about, might be the most shocking: raw spinach. Yes, spinach, Popeye's favorite superfood, but there's a huge catch. Raw spinach is loaded with compounds called oxalates. Oxalates are part of the plant's defense system. In the human body, they have a nasty habit of binding to minerals in your digestive tract. One of the most important minerals they bind to is zinc. And for men's health, zinc is a master mineral. It is absolutely essential for the production of testosterone in the testes. If oxalates are grabbing on to the zinc from your food and supplements, you're not absorbing it. You're just passing it through. So that giant, healthy, raw spinach smoothie you might be having every morning, you could be unintentionally blocking the absorption of the very mineral you need to feel like a man. This doesn't mean spinach is bad. It brings us back to our key theme. The solution is simple. Cook your spinach. Steaming, sautéing, or boiling spinach breaks down these oxalates, releasing the minerals and allowing your body to absorb all the goodness, like magnesium and iron, without the zinc-blocking downside.
All right, we've covered the culprits. Now for the good news. Let's talk about the heroes. 3 amazing vegetables that, when prepared correctly, can help your body restore its hormonal power. First up on our restoration list is the humble beet. Beets are one of nature's most powerful circulation boosters. Beets are packed with dietary nitrates. When you consume them, your body converts these nitrates into a miracle molecule called nitric oxide, or NO for short. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator. That's a fancy word meaning it tells the smooth muscles in your artery walls to relax and open up. This dramatically improves blood flow to every single part of your body. The benefits are astounding. Better blood flow to your brain means better focus. Better blood flow to your muscles means better performance and recovery. And critically, better blood flow to the pelvic region is the direct physical mechanism for stronger, more reliable erections. This isn't magic, it's physiology. But here's that crucial preparation key. The beneficial nitrates are delicate. Pickling and canning processes with their high heat and vinegar destroy them. To get the benefits, you need to eat beets fresh, either juiced, roasted, or lightly steamed. Our second testosterone-restoring hero is a cruciferous powerhouse, broccoli. Broccoli's magic lies in a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane doesn't boost testosterone directly. It plays defense. It helps your liver and body efficiently process and eliminate excess estrogen. By helping to detoxify and remove this excess estrogen, broccoli clears the way for your testosterone to do its job. It improves your testosterone to estrogen ratio, which is what truly matters for male vitality. But listen closely, because this is the most important preparation tip in the whole video. Sulforaphane is created by an enzymatic reaction when you cut or chew broccoli. But that enzyme is destroyed by heat. If you microwave your broccoli or boil it into submission, you get almost zero benefit. Here's the pro hack. Chop your broccoli and then let it sit on the cutting board for 30 to 40 minutes before you cook it. This gives the enzyme time to work and create the sulforaphane. After that, a very light steam for 3 to 4 minutes is all you need to preserve the benefits. Raw is also great if you enjoy it. And our number 1 vegetable for protecting your testosterone is one you might not expect: the common white button mushroom. Mushrooms are nature's aromatase inhibitors. Aromatase is the enzyme in your body that is responsible for a terrible crime. It converts your precious, hard-earned testosterone directly into estrogen. This process, called aromatization, accelerates as men age and gain body fat. It's one of the main reasons why older men can have declining testosterone but rising estrogen levels. It's literally stealing your masculinity from the inside. By acting as natural aromatase inhibitors, mushrooms help to block this conversion process. This protects the testosterone you already have, keeping it active and available for your body to use. And this isn't just for fancy mushrooms. Studies show that common white button, cremini, and portobello mushrooms are all effective. And the good news on preparation? The beneficial compounds in mushrooms are not destroyed by cooking, so feel free to sauté, roast, or grill them to enhance their flavor and make them more digestible.
So we've covered what to avoid, what to embrace, and how to prepare it. But I have one more bonus tip for you, a secret weapon to unlock the testosterone you already have. It's a mineral called boron. Much of the testosterone in your body is bound to a protein called sex hormone binding globulin, or SHBG. Think of SHBG as a handcuff. When testosterone is bound, it's inactive and unusable. Boron has been shown in studies to help reduce SHBG, essentially unlocking the handcuffs and increasing your level of free, usable testosterone. And you don't need much. Boron is found in some wonderful foods, a handful of raisins or a few dates a day. Adding prunes to your diet or eating more avocados can significantly boost your intake. So let's bring it all together. What have we learned today? We've learned that some healthy foods like soy and raw spinach can disrupt your hormones by mimicking estrogen or blocking key minerals. We've seen how processed corn fuels inflammation that chokes your vitality. And we've learned that powerhouse vegetables like beets can supercharge your blood flow. Broccoli can detoxify excess estrogen, and mushrooms can protect your testosterone from being converted. And most importantly, we've learned that how you prepare your food is just as important as what you eat. Cooking spinach, not overcooking broccoli, and eating beets fresh are the secrets to unlocking their power. This isn't about a radical, impossible diet. It's about making smart, strategic swaps. It's about understanding the why behind your food choices so you can take back control of your health, your energy, and your vitality for decades to come. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based health tips. And I want to hear from you. What's one change you're going to make after watching this? Let me know in the comments below. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and here's to your renewed health.